Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in and get access to Fedex retirement account. Logging into Fedex retirement account depends on the plan that you participate in. If you want to log in with your 401k plan, then Fedex utilizes the Vanguard website to manage their 401 retirement saving plan. So in order to access it, go ahead and open a web browser and type in vanguard.com and search. You will need to go to vanguard.com since you cannot access 401 retirement savings plans through the Fedex login website. So once you end up in this Vanguard website, go ahead and select the retirement plan participants option on the right hand corner. Now click on the login button right next to access your account at the bottom. Now in the login page, type in your username and then your account's password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your credentials, click on Forgot your username or password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your credentials correct, click Login and you will then be able to log into Vanguard. After you are inside, you can now go ahead and manage your retirement account for Fedex. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.